Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss exploratory data analysis. What is exploratory data analysis or EDA? EDA is a crucial initial step in data science projects. It involves analyzing and visualizing data to understand its key characteristics, uncover patterns, and identify relationships between variables. Refers to the method of studying and exploring record sets to apprehend their predominant traits, discover patterns, locate outliers, and identify relationships between variables. EDA is normally carried out as a preliminary step before undertaking extra formal statistical analysis or modeling. Today, we will explore four essential techniques: bar graphs with overlays, contingency tables, histograms with overlays, and binning based on predictive values. Let's get started. What is bar graph? A bar graph is a visualization tool used to represent categorical data with rectangular bars. Each bar, each bar's height is proportional to the values it represents. Adding an overlay such as a line plot can provide additional insights by showing trends or comparisons. Let's talk about bar graphs with overlays. Bar graphs are fantastic for showing categorical data, and an overlays like a line chart can reveal trends. Here's how we can create one. For example, we import matplotlib.py as plot library. Your categories are A, B, C, D, count 5, 10, 5, 12, overlays 2, 8, 12, 18, plot bar graph, plot.bar, plot the bar graph, categories, count, color is sky blue, and label count. Here we plot overlay, plot plt.plot, categories, comma overlay, comma color is red, marker 0, label overlay. Here's a code to plot bar graph with overlay. Click on run button. This is the bar graph and this is the line plot, which is called overlay. Second is contingency table. A contingency table is a tabular representation of the relationships between two categorical variables. It shows the frequency distribution of one variable across the labels of another. These tables summarize the relationship between two categorical values. How how you can do it in Python? How to create contingency table? Import pandas, add PD. Here it is a sample data. Create contingency table and display contingency table. Click on run button. This is the contingency table. Let's move on to histograms with overlays. A histogram is used to visualize the distribution of a single numeric variable by dividing it into beans and showing the frequency of data points within each bean. Adding an overlay such as a density curve highlights the data distribution. Adding a density overlay highlights the shape of the data. This visualization is great for spotting patterns or outliers in numeric data. So, how to construct histograms with overlay? First, import two libraries, matplotlib.py plot and second numpy. This is the sample data. With the help of plot histogram, this is the code for overlay density curve. Click on run button. This is the histogram with the density curve. Here the red line is density curve. Finally, let's talk about binning. Binning is the process of converting continuous data into discrete groups, which can make it easier to analyze. For instance, grouping ages into categories like young, middle aged, and senior. How to perform binning based on predictive value using Python. Here we import two libraries, NumPy and Pandas. Here the sample data set. Here we define bin ages, label young, middle aged, senior data. Here we can print data. Click on run button. Yeah, this is binning. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please comment it down below.